Hi there! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have a luscious and yummy recipe for you, and I know that everyone at home are gonna love it. It's my special cinnamon flavored pancakes.
Take your time and see. You and I were always meant to be.
तो चलिए हम शुरू करें. So first we're going to make our cinnamon filling ready. We are going to use melted butter, brown sugar and cinnamon. So this is such a yummy cinnamon filling because it's got the strong and lovely flavor of cinnamon, and the aroma of cinnamon is just perfect with pancakes. So I'm going to use a piping bag to pipe in my cinnamon filling. You can use a squeezy bottle if you have that at home. We're going to leave that on the side. Now we're going to make the cream cheese glaze for our cinnamon pancake. For our glaze, we're going to need vanilla essence, powdered sugar, cream cheese, and some butter.
Take your time and see. You and I were always meant to be. Watch the whole world stop in perfect place. Whenever you are held in my embrace on this perfect day.
Our delicious cream cheese glaze is ready. So let's get started making the pancake batter. We are first going to mix in our dry ingredients and then we're going to add in our wet ingredients. So पहले हम मैदा डालेंगे and then we're going to add our baking powder and salt. Let's make sure that all our dry ingredients are mixed properly. So we have the maida and the baking powder and the salt evenly distributed. Once this is ready, we can add our wet ingredients. So I've added the maida and now I've added the milk. I'm going to add the oil and 1 beaten egg. Did you know pancakes was mentioned all the way back in 600 BC by a Greek poet? And he talks about pancakes as this warm, gorgeous pancakes. The pancake batter is absolutely silky and without lumps, and it's ready. So let's get our skillet started and grease it a little bit so we can get on with our pancakes. So my pancake in the pan has started bubbling around the edges, and this is a perfect time that I need to be adding the cinnamon filling. So the pancakes are a lovely, delicious golden brown. On one side only, we have to make sure that it's perfectly cooked on both sides. Let's start flipping our pancake.
Take your time and see. You and I were always meant to be. Watch the whole world stop in perfect place. Whenever you are held in my embrace on this perfect day. Whoa, 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 oh, oh. together.
So भाई pancakes तो ready है, but presentation is the key of creation. उतना ही सुंदर दिखना चाहिए जैसे कि खुशबू is delicious. So let's start plating it. I'm going to plate my pancakes on a good looking platter and I am going to glaze it with my cream cheese glaze. Then I'm going to add a hint of honey and then top it up with just a beautiful amount of crushed pistachios.
Take your time and see. You and I were always meant to be. Watch the whole world stop in perfect place. Whenever you are held in my embrace. On this perfect day. Whoa, 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 you and I were meant to be together always.
So I hope you like this pancake recipe. It's a anytime, all the time snack throughout the day. It's delicious and it's so yummy. I hope you like my recipes. Do be sure to send me your comments. I love to hear from you and make sure you send me a picture every time you make my recipes. Please follow my Instagram and my YouTube channel. Do like, share and comment and hit the bell notification for lots of yummy and lovely recipes which I am creating and you will get a notification. Stay fit, stay fine and see you soon.